I will explain 4 ways to use Ctrl+E in Excel that allow you to smartly fill data. First, we have data in one cell, and we want to separate it into different columns. So write it separately in each column. Then click on each column cell and just press Ctrl+E to fill the data automatically. Next, write the date in one column in date format. Then click on the next cell and just press Ctrl+E. You will see the data filled. After this, if you want to wish multiple employees a happy birthday or send the same reply, just write the first employee name and your message. Then click on the next cell and press Ctrl+E, and all the data will be filled automatically with the employee's name. Next, if you write the mobile number in the format with brackets and spaces in the next cell, and then press Ctrl+E, all the numbers will be formatted accordingly. Like and follow for daily tips and tricks.